The number sense test we're going to take, as some of you know, is full of little multiplication tricks. And I suspect I'll have 5 to 10 videos on multiplication alone by the time the test rolls around. This is one of those tricks, multiplying numbers that are centered around a third number. And like the previous video, there are easy examples and then there are slightly more difficult examples. So the way this trick works is you see that you have two numbers that are multiplied together and they're equidistant from some number in the middle. So here the middle number is 40, here the middle number is 50, here the middle number is 50 again, here the middle number is 20, and here the middle number is 25. So the technique is to pick that middle number, 40, square it, so 40 times 40 is 1600, and then subtract the square of the difference from the middle number. 37 is 3 units away from 40, and 43 is also 3 units away from 40. So 3 squared is 9, so we're going to do 1600 minus 9 for 1591. Here the middle number is 50. 50 times 50 is 2500. The difference from the middle number is 5. 5 squared is 25. So 2500 minus 25 is 2475. And you're free to check all of these on a calculator if you would like. Here the middle number is 50 again, so that's 2500 minus 25 squared, because the difference from the middle number is 25. 25 squared is 625. So 2500 minus 625 is 1875, I believe. I'm as prone to mistakes here as anybody else. 25 times 75, 1875. Middle number is 20. 20 squared is 400. 400 minus 2 squared will be 396. The difference from 20 is 2. 2 squared is 4, so subtract 4 from 20 times 20. 25 squared is 625. 1 squared is 1, so 625 minus 1 is 624. And again, we can check on a calculator to confirm. Now this is the easy version of the trick because the middle number is very easy to square. 25 squared is 625, 20 squared, 50 squared, 50 squared, 40 squared. We could center one around 30 and do 28 times 32. Well, 30 squared is 900, 2 squared is 4, 900 minus 4 is 896. These are the easy versions because the middle number is easy to square. 41 times 43. The trick works just the same, but 42, the middle number, is not easily squared. Either you've memorized squaring 42, or you have some mental technique for quickly squaring 42. But otherwise, that's not going to be quite as easy. So we may need another multiplication technique here. We may also need to learn to memorize more and more of our perfect squares. Certainly 21 times 23, the trick works just the same, but I know 22 squared is 484, at least I'm pretty sure that's it. So 484 minus 1 would be 483, and we can check both. 22 squared is in fact 484. The difference from the middle number is 1. 1 squared is 1, so 484 minus 1 is 483, and 21 times 23 is 483. And we'll learn other techniques for handling these sorts of numbers. 12, 4, 6, 16, so I would say 1763 for that one. And yeah. So what I suggest you do is write down 5 or 6 examples just like these and practice using this technique. Square the middle number, then square the difference from the middle number and subtract it, and you will come up with the correct answer every time. So create 5 or 10 examples and see where you could quickly and effectively use this technique and where it might slow you down. Here, 17 times 23, probably very easy, but maybe 26 times 30 depends on squaring 28, not quite as easy. This is why we're going to have to practice and learn a diverse array of multiplication techniques to be sure we're ready.